Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com, and I'm here to show you a rather unique privacy screen. This is actually not unique at all, but it's not used much anymore as a privacy screen, although it is a great privacy screen. This is a Rhaphis palm. That's spelled R-A-P-H-I-S, Rhaphis palm. This is a clustering palm, and probably the reason that it's lost favor in the landscape industry is because it spreads and it will take over an area. You can control it, and if you start your screen knowing that this is going to spread and it's going to get much wider than when you start, then go ahead and put it in. You just have to know, and my job is to tell you. Now, what's good about this is that it is impenetrable. You literally can't get through it, and you can't see through it. But take a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Deep, dark green. And this is probably a 60 or 70 foot stretch from that end all the way to that end. You notice there's a queen palm planted right in front of the hedge that looks real nice against the hedge. I think if I installed one of these for you, I would also offer to put 3 or 4 or 5 queen palms spaced evenly across the length of the hedge, just to give it some added dimension. So I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I know that you want privacy, and I know you want trees. So when you go to our website, reach out to us from there and we'll get it in for you. Have a good day.